Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix authorization error accessing plugins on ChatGPT. So the first method is try to delete all the cookies on the OpenAI. So just click on the three dots at the top right corner of your Google Chrome, then click on Settings. Now here on Settings, try to go at the bottom here and go to About Chrome. And first you need to update your Google Chrome. Now once you've done right here, just go to Privacy and Security. And then here scroll down, then click on Site Settings. Now right here, you need to click on this option, and right here need to go to search box and try to search for OpenAI. And all you need to do is to delete all the cookies and all the data from OpenAI and try to reset that website. So once you've done, we can now reopen the ChatGPT and log in back your account. But if the problem persists, we just go to the second method, which is uninstall and reinstall the plugins on ChatGPT. Well, I found the method here at the community.openai.com, and here as you can see the step-by-step solution. So first, go into the plugin store in ChatGPT. And then the second one is search for the plugins presently not working. So for example, and uninstall the plugins, then reinstall the plugins, which will most likely require you to reauthorize them. And then test the plugins here, verify they are working again. So that's a step-by-step method here. But if the problem persists, we'll go to the third method, which is to install or download a VPN. So go to Chrome Web Store and try to search here VPN, and you'll find a bunch of VPNs here that you can use. So once you've downloaded or installed some VPN, you can try to open the ChatGPT and try if it fixes the plugins on your ChatGPT. Now, if it's still the problem persists, you need to go to the fourth method, which is to use a different web browser. So instead of using Google Chrome, you can try to use Opera or Firefox, Vivaldi, or you can try Microsoft Edge, Brave, or Opera GK. So you just need to try other web browser here and try to see if that fixes the problem. So that's how you basically fix authorization error accessing plugins on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.